way home. I just went to go drop my daughter off, you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting on here to show y'all. I got some new braids in. I got them on Friday. I just didn't do any videos or anything on it. And I'm gonna do one real quick before I get home and have to get ready to go to work. So right now I got my hair, my do-rag on, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like. So I don't even know what this style is. She just did her own thing with it because I asked for straight backs. Got something in my hair. I asked for straight backs, and this is the look she gave me. So I'm gonna rock with it. You know what I'm saying? It looks pretty dope. I don't mind a little design in my hair, but for like while my hair is short, I mean, I am going to be trying to get designs, but I want more straight back. I mean, I'm really about the straight backs for now until my hair get longer, when I can really do like some epic ass designs and start really getting into like all the cool ass like hair designs and stuff. So, well, I mean, she did a little pattern. It's not anything crazy, it's a simple little pattern, but it still looks good though. I don't mind it. And then let me show you the hang time now. I got hang time now, y'all. So we slowly coming up to what, 13 months. So after November, it'll be 13 months. My birthday's coming up December 8th, so I don't know what I'm gonna do then, but I do have a video gonna be dropping showing y'all how long my hair got. So if y'all go back and look at my other videos, y'all can see all the official hair length checks, basically how long my hair got. And y'all can see the last time I did a length check basically, and it was close to my eyelid. When y'all see this next one, y'all gonna be like, it's pretty good growth. I seen growth before I even got my hair braided. I went and checked it, and it was pretty good growth from the last time, and I was surprised at how much my hair grew from that last time we did it. But yeah, this next one should be nice because I'm gonna try to keep these braids in for 3 weeks at least, and should be even more hair growth. So y'all gonna get a nice little progress video when I drop that one. It's gonna be nice. I'm already happy with the progress I made in just, you know, those couple weeks that I had those braids in, the last braids. And let me see, yeah man, I'll try to, let me see if I can add some pictures into this thing. I don't know if I can or not, but I'm gonna try to add some pictures from so y'all can see my fro before I got it braided. I went and did a little quick blow dry on it. Not a lot of heat, but I did a quick blow dry, and before I did the blow dry, I did a deep conditioning. So I deep conditioned my hair twice, one after I took my braids out, and then one before I got my braids put in. So that week I took my braids out, waited a whole another week, and then Friday, let me see, was it Friday? Yeah, Thursday I went to go do the deep conditioning. Friday I blew dry my hair and then got it braided Friday. So like if I had my fro, I would deep condition my hair like every week. But I don't have a fro. I just got braids, and I usually, you know, deep condition my hair when I got my fro. So if I could, I would deep condition it every week. But since I get braids now, I mean, it'll be every once in a while. That's my little routine now with the deep conditioning. So yeah, let me get up off here. I'm gonna keep driving. I just want to give y'all a look at the hair, and y'all can see the hang time. Y'all can see the progress of the hang time. Y'all go look at my other braid videos. I'm probably pulling out my hair in a video showing y'all the hang time, but look at the hang time I got now, yo. I mean, it's getting up there. So I mean, just keep following, man. If y'all new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. I mean, if y'all starting the journey, hit that subscribe button. We do videos, like, I'm trying to do videos more and more. So, man, like, help me out. I'll help y'all out. Y'all can keep checking out progress. Y'all can see where y'all hair would be at in the future. Or if y'all hair and my hair is the same size, let's get on this journey together. Let's keep up with each other, and then we'll go back and forth with the designs and stuff. You get designs, I get designs. You know, we do it like that. You know what I'm saying? Leave comments. I mean, like, or give me a thumbs down. I mean, if you don't like it, I mean, tell me what I can do better. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this page a little bit more exciting for everybody, and I don't know, man. I'm just keeping good vibes, man. Y'all, I mean, I'm just staying positive. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, let me get up off here. Keep throwing, keep going. God bless. I'm gonna see y'all on the flip side. Peace.